Hello guys, today I'm going to unbox the Zotac GTX1070 Amp edition. It has 8GB GDDR5, 256-bit memory running at 8 GHz. It's got 1920 CUDA cores, a base clock of 1607 MHz, a boost clock of 1797 MHz. The interface is PCI Express Gen 3. The card's dimensions are 298mm by about 40mm thick. When we open the box, we are presented with an envelope that contains a driver CD, a user manual and a sticker. There are also two 6-pin to 8-pin adapters. The graphics card is also neatly wrapped in a bubble anti-static bag. As we can see, it is a 2-slot card and it has a dual 95mm fan design. It has a dark grey color scheme like carbon fiber with a yellow accent on the back. The LEDs are RGB, so you can change that with the Ice Storm app. Here we can see the SLI connection and the two 8-pin power connectors. The recommended power supply is 500 watts. At the back we have a DVI-D port, one HDMI 2.0B and 3 DisplayPort 1.4 ports. Please leave a comment, like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.